you doing to that control, man? Talk to him. I see you doing it, man. Just a little joystick, huh? Yeah. Hey, you represent Bartow, too. That's right. Yep. Hey, Joey, man, are you excited about this project that you built for Radford Homes? We're live.
Yeah, super excited, man. I'm starting to finish up a little bit. We got drywall going in, all the electrical done, all the AC work is done. Most of all the plumbing's done. Only thing that he's got to do from the outside is hook up the water faucets, but it's good to go. I mean, like I said, it's when the drywall's done and it's painted, it'll start looking pretty. The outside will be ready here pretty soon.
You put the soffits and the fascia on yesterday.
Yeah, you put the soffits and the fascia on yesterday. You got the bathroom units coming here. The electrician does that for us as a courtesy. That's a really, really good way to do it. It's gonna be a beautiful house, man. It's a big, gorgeous house, man. It's really, 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 really nice.
Yeah, man. Hey, Joey.
We hooked up the water meter yesterday, so we got to fill this in. We even reset it yesterday. You can tell that as well. So they do a great job. What are you gonna ask me, Greg? Go ahead.
Joey, I see you got a website up there. What's your website?
Yeah, it's manningnb.com. I'm actually in the process of redoing and everything right now to kind of get everything up to date. It was real basic whenever I first started it. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, you want to build houses, investment properties, and that's what I'm here for. Typically, I mean, Greg can kind of give you a lot of information. I'm normally like pretty straightforward. If you're looking at doing anything, maybe talking to Greg about the way that he did it from a finance standpoint and not using any cash, I'll give him a call probably, and then he can kind of set the stage so that so we can talk. Or if you just want to build a house, I always tell people, just like I do in mortgages, go get 2 or 3 estimates. When you get those estimates, then we can sit down and meet and talk about everything. Because my goal is to give you, the most value, the most value possible. I don't want you to think you're getting a good deal. I want you to know that I'm taking care of you the same way.
Oh, man, this guy took care of me, y'all. He's a humble guy. Man, he played baseball, went to Vanderbilt, got his license. He's also a mortgage broker. Aren't you a mortgage broker with?
Yeah, I do mortgage as well. Yeah, with Bruce Lending, and my partner runs our office in Lake Wales called Ridgeview Mortgage. So my background's in mortgages, but I'm from this area, so I just try to take care of people. I mean, a lot of contractors, they just sit in their car, they look pretty all the time. I mean, I'm decently clean today. I'm not actually doing anything. I'm running around like crazy. But I work. I work. Normally when you come by, I'm disgusting. I'm dirty because I'm out and I'm working. And really,
what's that website, Joey?
manningnb.com. Remember the master busy bill. So manningnb.com.
All right, y'all can reach him right here. Joey, let's check him out, Joey. Look at the tree work, Joey.
Yeah, looks good, man. It looks really good. You're moving the trees from the side too, huh?
Yes, we're getting all the tree work. The tree guy be back today. As you can see, the big old logs on the ground right here. Look at that, how they cleaned that tree up, made it look open.
Yeah, they took this tree out here yesterday as well.
Yeah, and they had an old raggedy tree right here, and they're gonna stump grind it.
Yeah, nice. That's awesome. Hey, Greg, man, who told you to put some paint right here? Did you paint that yourself?
Nah, Joey Manning told me, man, I gotta protect the concrete, the stucco. So we went ahead and painted it before they put the fascia on. It looks good, huh, Joey?
Yeah, it looks good, man. A lot of people don't understand is with concrete block homes, concrete's a porous material. So if I spray this concrete isn't much different than this concrete. If I spray this, obviously it's gonna suck in water. If you're out driving around, you're on a concrete road, when you obviously see the water being sucked into the concrete. So paint is actually one of the biggest waterproofers of a home. We do some other things to waterproof it, but we just kind of want to protect this soffit from some moisture up in there, because obviously the rest of this is gonna be paint.
Joey, this is a beautiful home, bruh.
It's gorgeous, man.
Yeah, man. Got that drywall, y'all. Got the dog WestSide. Hey, that man done jumped in the G-Wagon, man, done did his thing on Snapchat. Talk to him, Joey, about this plan in here.
Gorgeous, man. I just emailed Greg and Sabrina got some water heaters right here for his other home. But in here in our laundry room, what we did to save some room and also just improve the energy efficiency is, you guys ever been in a house where, you know, one person showers, maybe two person showers, by the time that third person showers, you know, you're out of hot water. Well, what we're gonna put here for, like I said, energy efficiency, and also just to make the house better and, you know, a lot more livable, is we're gonna put a tankless hot water heater. So if you see these wires, it's gonna be a lot of power. So each one of these, a normal hot water heater like the ones over there, using an orange wire typically that's not much bigger than this one. There's just one of them. So a tankless hot water heater works by just basically it's always heating water. There's always hot water inside of it, so the electric never really stops. We're gonna be using a tankless hot water heater. So what does that mean? That means each of these cords is gonna be hooked up to like a little heater. This wire is pretty much the same size that you're gonna use for the dryer, you know, like your clothes dryer at home. And so it only uses electricity whenever water's flowing through it. So it's got a pressure switch inside. So when you turn on the hot water somewhere, it heats up immediately, and then the water's being heated as it passes through. The best news about it is you never run out of hot water. So if there's a hurricane, you got 500 people at your house, you can do 500 showers in a row, hot water.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
So it's great. So it'll be nice, and especially for a 4-bedroom home. So someone may live
4-bedroom. How many square feet, Joey?
It's 1960 total, 1,855 under living area.
Wow.
But it's you can see it's got a really big massive. But you know, a family may move here, they may have 4 or 5, 6 kids you don't know. That's a lot of showers in the morning before school. So this
Is this the master bedroom? It is huge.
Yeah, this is the master bedroom. Yeah, it's a huge. It's got a nice central window. But you see those drywall sheets are 12 feet long. So this is it's a really nice, really nice master bedroom.
Felix put the blocking in there.
You know why I put the blocking in?
He also put it over here too.
You put some more in here?
Yes. Go up. You'll feel it. Up.
Oh,
Yeah, he did. Put it up. Yeah.
You know why I put it up here?
For the cabinets.
Yeah, because we doing the cabinets. So that's a good thing about like whenever you have a team that works together. So we did these studs 24 inches on center. If something is low bearing, we always do it like 12 inches on center or 16 inches on center. Everything in this house, the only walls that are low bearing are the exterior walls. So Felix is really good at what he does. So since we work together, I did my part. He comes in now. So before the drywall was up, he knows where the cabinet's going to be going because he's going to be the one helping to order the cabinet. So he put in all the blocking and additional stuff that he needed so that the cabinets are super strong. Same thing on this wall. You put all that on this wall.
Joey, when you designed this house, you did a magnificent thing and designed it where you got a storage up top right there. Look up there. All that storage area.
Yeah.
Talk to him about that.
Yeah, so I mean, like I said, when I'm building homes, I try to do a lot of things that just make sense. You know, like you can put a door anywhere, you can put walls anywhere, you can put a kitchen anywhere, but I try to ask additional questions like, hey, what's the point of doing this? You know, why should we do this? Or hey, if we're already designing it this way, is there anything small that we could add to kind of improve the functionality of the home, or add like, you know, small little benefits that, you know, that may not be in other homes? So in this case, we wanted to go a square house because basically the lot orientation, we really had no choice. So we just did a straight hip roof. You know, hip roofs have lower insurance. They perform better in hurricanes, which is why you have lower insurance. But the benefit of it is, you know, we got to put a ton of storage space up there. So, you know, a lot of people, you know, most people who have garages, they want garages not really to park their car in, but really just for the storage space. So in this case, this house doesn't have a garage, but I guarantee stuff in this attic space than you can in most people's 2-car garages or maybe even 3-car garages.
Yeah. Can you show him how far it goes? It goes from the master bedroom.
You can see it from the wood here that he put down. So that storage space goes from right here. The storage space goes from right here.
And walk over there, Joey, so they can see how far it goes.
Yeah, so it goes from right here, and it's gonna go all the way down here.
Watch this, y'all. Look how far he's gonna walk.
So think about me walking through my attic space right now. This is all attic space. And it goes all the way to about right here. There's gonna be a pull-down attic location, you know, right here. So basically, I have a pull-down attic. It'll have stairs. You'll be able to go up there. You'll be able to access all that stuff. So the AC company that we use is a guy named Tori Muhammad with New Air air conditioning. Is that right, Greg?
Yep.
He said
New air, never old, baby.
He said he's got a license to chill.
Tory, license to chill.
They did a great job. So you know, they put all the AC stuff out of the storage area. So all that storage area is great and it's open. And the electric DC Electric, I've been using them for quite a while. They do a great job. They also ran all their stuff outside of that area. So it's great. It's nice. It's pretty. And what you can even see, Greg, is they even put a light up there as well.
Yes.
They put a light up there as well. And the good thing about that is it'll be really, really easy in the future to run more lights, down the road if we wanted to. What other features? I'm actually looking. Oh, and also, Greg, what you can see here is they put the light switch. They put the light switch. So this is going to be a pull-down attic right here. Walk up, and there's going to be a light switch right there. Can you see it on the other side of this?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
So you got your light switch right there. So it's gorgeous, man. It's going to be really nice home. And so that's going to be a hidden benefit for a lot of people. It's your Christmas stuff, your Halloween stuff.
Yes. Joey, what about this? Combi Installation came in and put the installation up. They also put a ruler up there so they can see how much stuff to blow in the attic.
Exactly, which is really nice. They also put baffles and everything as well. I normally do this stuff myself to save.
What are baffles?
Baffles. So you see this ruler? So they're going to put obviously they're going to blow an insulation. So what's a blow an insulation? They're basically going to have a hose and they're just going to blow a bunch of insulation. It looks like the inside of a pillow. They're just going to blow it everywhere. So the reason they put these in here is the way these roofs are designed. They're always designed to vent, so there's always airflow coming in and out, through the outside soffits. The soffits is the if I look right outside and look up, that white covering, that's the soffit that they put in yesterday. So the benefit is when they blow in the insulation, they put these in here so that the insulation can blow all the way to the edge and cover up that space. So these ensure that airflow flows through there, so that there's always airflow running through the attic. So it's insulated. There's also airflow in the attic. So God forbid if there ever was a leak for whatever reason,
Just walk up front.
even if it was leaking, it still would dry out.
Joey, I noticed that DC Electric also ran the cable wire as well.
Yeah, they also run the cable wire. So when they come out, they normally ask me, "Hey Joe, do you want me to go run the cable wire since we're here? My guys are already working." Obviously, the answer to that is yes. So all the cable wires already ran. They put them in the obvious places that TVs and stuff are probably going to go. And again, the way this attic is designed, it's really, really easy to add stuff, down the road if you want to.
All right. Joey, let's walk outside and look at some of this landscaping that we did. Hey, we appreciate y'all guys, man. Representing right there, man. Yeah. They doing their thing, bringing in that drywall.
How many deliveries y'all do a day?
We got 3 loads a day. So we probably have like 2 loads a day.
That drywall.
2 loads on each trip.
That drywall.
You know, we got shangle machines too.
Y'all do shingles too? Yeah.
Drywall got to go up. 140 sheets, baby. Total we got here. I think they delivered 130 and we got 15 here.
Measured out. John did?
John.
Yeah, that's about right, because the other houses are, about the same size. A little bit more, but these ceilings are, here lower.
Joey, I just want to say thank you, man, for designing this house, building this house. He's the licensed contractor. All right. He's been helping me every step of the way. Joey has built 5 houses inside of the CRA. Talk about you working with the city, with the CRA inside of our community. Talk about that.
So Bob Wiegers, he's the head of the planning department. Greg, he's the building official. Cindy at the front desk. Stephen Cox at the CRA. The CRA board. They all do a fantastic job, and they've been super. Like I said, I was building this area already. Then I found out about the assistance, everything that they offer. I mean, it was a nice match. So. They've been giving, a lot of assistance to the buyers who are buying the homes, so it, just makes it easier for for me to build houses, number 2 for them to, number 2 just for buyers to get into it, and it really benefits.
Down payment assistance?
Yes, there is down payment assistance. So we're in the process. I've actually emailed everything to Greg and Sabrina this morning for their part, but I don't know when the next CRA meeting is going to be. So even on this home, if they end up deciding to sell it, maybe down payment assistance on this one as well. But you guys have to stay tuned for that one.
All right, y'all. We out of here. Talk to you later. Salute all veterans. Hey, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and to my lovely and beautiful wife, and to Raquel, that is Joey's wife. All right, man, we out of here. We got work to do, baby. Call me if you need something. 931-241-9714. Polk County, Bartow, represent, stand up. Home of the champions.